Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we want to find the value of x and y from this given beautiful math problem. X plus y is equal to 10, xy is equal to 30. Can you solve this? But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Let us start by writing solution. X plus y is equal to 10. Let us call this equation 1. Xy is equal to 30. Let us call this equation 2. From equation 1, x plus y is equal to 10. Let us make y the subject of the formula. Y is equal to 10 minus x. Let us call this equation 3. Then from equation 2, xy is equal to 30. We can now substitute for y. X bracket, this y is equal to 10 minus x. 10 minus x is equal to 30. Let us open the bracket. X multiplied by 10. 10x minus x multiplied by x squared is equal to 30. 10x minus x squared. If you bring this 30 to this side, it becomes minus 30 is equal to 0. Now this can be written as minus x squared plus 10x minus 30 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. Then we have x squared minus 10x plus 30 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. And quadratic general formula is given as s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 10, c is equal to 30. S is equal to minus bracket minus 10 plus or minus square root of minus 10 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 30 over 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to 10 plus or minus square root of minus 10 square, that is 100, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 30, that is 120, over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. S is equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 120. This is minus 20 over 2. This is same thing as 10 plus or minus square root of minus 20 can be written as square root of 4 multiplied by 5 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. S is equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2. Square root of minus 1 is I root 5 over 2. This is same thing as 10 over 2 plus or minus 2i over 2 root 5. This cancel this. 2 here 1, 2 here 5. X is equal to 5 plus or minus I root 5. This is the value of x. Therefore, x1 is equal to 5 plus I root 5, and S2 is equal to 5 minus I root 5. Here are the values of S. We've gotten the value of S. Let us solve for Y. To solve for Y, from equation 3, Y is equal to 10 minus X. Now, Y1 is equal to 10 minus X1 is 5 plus I root 5, and Y2 is equal to 10 minus 5 minus I root 5. Y1 is equal to 10 minus, if you open the bracket, we have 5 minus I root 5. Y1 is equal to 10 minus 5. This is 5 minus I square root of 5. This is the value of Y1. Also, Y2 is equal to 10 minus 5 plus I square root of 5. Y2 is equal to 5 plus I square root of 5. This is the value of Y2. Therefore, our final answer are S1, Y1 is equal to 5 plus I square root of 5, 5 minus I square root of 5. S2, Y2 is equal to 5 minus I square root of 5, 5 plus I square root of 5. You can see that from here, the value of x1 here is equal to the value of y2 here, and the value of y1 here is equal to the value of s2 here. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. S plus y equal to 10. Xy is equal to 30. Let us make use of this x1, y1. Now let's consider this. S plus y, this is 5 plus I root 5 plus 5 minus I root 5 must be equal to 10. This cancel this. 5 plus 5 must be equal to 10. And of course, 5 plus 5, this is 10, is equal to 10, which is true. Let us consider this. Sy, this is 5 plus I root 5 multiplied by 5 minus I root 5 must be equal to 30. 5 times 5, this is 25, minus 5 times I root 5, this is 5 I root 5, plus I root 5 multiplied by 5, 5 I root 5, then I root 5 multiplied by minus I root 5, this is minus I square multiplied by root 5 square must be equal to 30. Then here, this cancel this square cancel this square, we have 25 minus I square multiplied by 5 must be equal to 30. 25 minus I square is minus 1 multiplied by 5 must be equal to 30. We have 25 minus times minus 1 times 5, that will be plus 5, must be equal to 30. And of course, 25 plus 5, this is 30, is equal to 30, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.